Hey there, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Washes, a very special episode. And the reason why it's special, because I will be announcing the winner of the Tissot PRX giveaway. Now, before we get into that, I'd like to thank my buddy Ross for sending this watch in, donating it to the channel, hence having this giveaway. It's because of guys like Ross and others who lend in watches for me to review. It's the reason why I'm able to continue producing content for the channel. So I really appreciate you guys. Now, if you have a watch that you want to showcase on my channel, want me to review, my email is in the description below. Please reach out to me. Also, if you are a longtime subscriber or a recent subscriber and you didn't win today, fret not. I typically give or do these giveaways often. I did one for when I reached 500 subscribers, when I reached 1,000 subscribers. I did another one randomly. This one's randomly. I think I'm close to 2,000 subscribers, so hopefully in a month or two, I can get there, and I'm going to be giving out a big giveaway as well. So fret not, stick around, watch some reviews and topics and streams, and you'll have a chance to win some watches or some swag, right? Anyway, so let's get started, right? So I'm going to throw in some more images of the PRX here, and then we're going to start the giveaway. Okay, so you needed to do two things to participate in this giveaway. You needed to be a subscriber and you needed to put a comment in the video. And I'm going to be using this YouTube comment picker to select the comment. And then we'll announce the winner. And then I'll just behind the scenes verify that you are a subscriber. And then, hopefully you can reach out to me, or if I know you, I'll reach out to you. But so let's go. I'll take the link here for the video and I'll drop it in here. Let me just make sure that's it. Yep. And then we're going to filter duplicate users. So you only have one shot. We're not going to include replies to comments. Okay, so we're going to get our comments. There are a lot of comments, man. I was really, really, really excited. 108 unique comments. That is awesome. That is definitely a record for a giveaway for me. Usually it's around 40 or 50. And let's start the raffle. Here we go. Jim G, congratulations. His comments, beautiful watch, reminds me of a 1970 Omega Constellation I once had, similar K-shape with round dial. Good luck to all. Well, that's awesome, Jim G. Hopefully, this is not a 1970s Omega that you're winning today, but hopefully, it can give you some joy like that 1970s Omega did. So congratulations again, Jim G. And thank you all for participating and subscribing and supporting my channel. Hopefully you guys stick around. Like I said, I'll have some more reviews coming, streams, topic videos, more giveaways coming soon. And yeah, this is so much fun. I love doing this kind of stuff. And thank you all. So I'll see you guys in the next video.